Simple, compound, and complex sentences. Level F, Lesson 43. Using different types of sentences in writing makes texts more interesting to read and more natural sounding. Objective: correctly identify and write simple, compound, and complex sentences. There are three types of sentences. The first type is a simple sentence. A simple sentence is one complete thought with a subject and a predicate. In sentence 1, Mexican food is my favorite kind of food. Mexican food is the subject. It tells whom or what the sentence is about. Is my favorite kind of food is the predicate of the sentence. It tells what the subject is or does. In sentence 2, do you like Mexican food? The predicate comes first. Do you like? It contains the verb like. Mexican food is the subject. Another type of sentence is a compound sentence. A compound sentence has two complete thoughts or independent clauses connected by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Some of you have learned the acronym FANBOYS to help you remember coordinating conjunctions. In sentence 1, my brother enjoys tacos, but my sisters prefer pizza. You can see the two complete thoughts or independent clauses can stand on their own. When they are joined with a comma and a coordinating conjunction, they become a compound sentence. Look at example 2. He goes to a taco truck, and they go to a pizza parlor. Again, you can see he goes to a taco truck, they go to a pizza parlor, are independent clauses. They can stand on their own as a complete thought. When they are joined with a comma and a coordinating conjunction, they become a compound sentence. The third type of sentence is complex sentence. A complex sentence has one independent clause and one dependent clause. The dependent clause is the part of the sentence that does not express a complete thought and could not stand alone as a separate sentence. Look at the example number 1. My grandma makes tamales while I help set the table. The independent clause, my grandma makes tamales, could stand alone as a complete thought. But while I help set the table is a dependent clause. It does not make sense on its own. We need to know more, so it is joined with the independent clause. Sentence 2, after I eat my meal, I wash the dirty dishes. The independent clause, I wash the dirty dishes, is a complete thought and can stand on its own. The dependent clause, after I eat my meal, does not make sense when on its own. When we make a complex sentence, we join the two parts, the complete thought and the incomplete thought, with a comma. Your assignment is to identify each type of sentence and underline the independent clauses. You can pause the video here so that you have time to write the sentences and complete the exercise. The directions here say identify each type of sentence. So you have simple, compound, and complex. Underline the independent clauses. Sentence 1. If my grades are good and my chores are done on time, I earn extra time. Number 2. I can also lose screen time if I mess up, so I am careful to do my best. Number 3. My parents are pretty smart. Remember, pause the video so you have time to complete the exercise. When you are finished, show your teacher your hard work. Show your answers in your next Zoom class or take a picture and upload into Canvas.